Whenever you are creating duct systems, you can use the Check Duct Systems tool and the Show Disconnects tool to ensure that the system is being modeled properly. Since the results can be overwhelming when a duct system is not completely modeled, we'll start with a simple example. On the HVAC panel of the Systems ribbon, I'll click Duct. Moving into the drawing area, I'll click to place the duct start point, move the cursor to the right approximately 10 feet or 3,000 millimeters in the metric file, and then click to place the end point. The exact distance is not critical for this example. Next, I'll move the cursor down about 10 feet or 3,000 millimeters and click to place the end point of the next duct segment. Then I'll click Modify to end the command. The Check Systems tools are available on the Analyze ribbon in the Check Systems panel. The Check Duct Systems tool verifies that all duct systems are properly connected and also checks for valid system assignments. Remember that each duct created is automatically added to a duct system, and whenever you connect airside components with ductwork, they are assigned to that system. To begin, I'll click Check Duct Systems. When I do, a warning icon appears in the drawing area and a dashed line connects each open end of the duct. When I hover over the warning icon, a tooltip appears that says, Show related warnings for MEP systems. I'll click the icon. Revit then displays a warning. This warning states that it is not possible to calculate the flow since the flow direction is mismatched. This is due to the fact that there are two open connections. I'll click in blank space to dismiss the warning. In order to quit checking the systems, you can click the Check Duct Systems tool to toggle it off. Now click Show Disconnects in the Check Systems panel of the Analyze ribbon. This time, Revit displays a Show Disconnects Options dialog. Here, you can select which category of elements that you want to see disconnects in. I'll select Duct and then click OK. Back in the drawing area, a warning icon appears at each open end of the duct. We already knew that each end was open, but now an icon indicates the open ends. The tooltip for each icon simply states that the element has an open connector. When you have a more complex system, it's much harder to spot disconnects or any problems that may be in the system. You can click a warning icon to display a warning stating the same thing. When you do, the duct with an open connector also highlights. I'll click in a blank area to dismiss the warning. Next, I'll zoom into the elbow and select one of the ducts connected to the elbow. I'll slightly move the duct connector so that it disconnects from the elbow. Now when I zoom out, it appears that the duct is still connected. If there were several duct systems with mechanical equipment, ductwork, and air terminals, this would be hard to see. But notice that Revit has already added a warning icon to indicate a disconnect. To remove the warning icon, I can simply reconnect the duct to the elbow. As you can see, the Check Duct Systems and Show Disconnects tools can be very helpful in finding problems in the duct system. If you no longer want to see the disconnects, you can click the Show Disconnects tool again, clear the category, and then click OK.